In this video, I'm going to show you how to get the Chime Credit Builder card. So the first thing you want to do is you want to make sure you do have a Chime checking account. And next up, you want to make sure you set up a qualifying direct deposit. So you must receive a single qualifying direct deposit of $200 or more into your Chime checking account. You need this deposit before you even start applying for the Chime credit card. So it can come from an employer, payroll, provider, gig, economy paper, or benefits paper via automated clearinghouse. So once you went ahead and got your $200 to your account, then you will be eligible for the Chime Credit Builder card. So in order to actually get the card, all you want to do is you want to go to the top left and you want to select on the gear icon like so. Then you want to go ahead and scroll down, and then you should see the option over here that does say Try Credit Builder, and then it is going to give you some more information. So the Chime Credit Builder has no annual fees or interest, no credit check to apply, and it does help you build credit. And honestly, the Chime Credit Builder card is pretty decent and it will definitely help you out a ton. So yeah, it will actually let you know some more information as well. So you can move money to Credit Builder anytime and charge up to that amount. And this is perfect for building up your credit history. So once you're done with that, all you want to do is you want to go ahead and press on the green arrow right over here towards the bottom right. And then all you need to do is you need to wait 7 to 10 business days in order to actually get your Credit Builder account mailed to you. You can use the card anywhere Visa is accepted, and Chime reports your payment history to the major credit bureaus. So keep that in mind. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.